Today we're looking at the new floor plan from Gulfstream, the 236RL Amerilite. This is a 2020, it just arrived. This is a 28-foot hitch to bumper trailer length. Weighs about 5,100 pounds unloaded weight or dry weight. There's a pass-through storage in the front. In the back, there is some storage space. It could also be used for mounting a television. I noticed that it has hookups for it. So it's deep enough where you could use it as storage, or see the TV hookup. Could mount the TV on a swivel, and you could pull it out to view from outside. Outside speakers, power awning. So this is a rear living room setup, and one thing I really like about it, as we're going to see inside, there's plenty of light. A common complaint that I hear RVs made today, they're getting darker and darker. This one has so much light coming in, plenty of windows. From the side here, this is the dinette slide. You get a large sliding window. You have a good view at your campsite, wherever you're parking. Or if you have a good view from the back, see another large, even larger sliding window. But if you don't want the light coming in, there are shades. So if you want it darker in here, you have the option. But plenty of windows. Exit window opens, the rear window opens. Then we get that large sliding window. Plenty of airflow if you want to just let the breeze come in. This is the 12 cubic foot, 12 volt refrigerator that we're seeing from Gulfstream. Tons and tons of space inside. Almost like a residential fridge. Huge freezer. We got this one with the oven, with the glass cooktop. Another great feature in this unit is the amount of counter space. Now over here, I think this is pretty neat. It's got the charging center, where you can plug in any electric appliance, coffee maker for example. A lot of good cabinet space all around too. See, it goes around the top here. The dinette will convert to a bed. Also the sofa is a jackknife sofa that will also convert. I like that the bathroom is off to the side, so you don't have to walk through it like in some models to get through the bedroom to the bedroom. Corner shower with the glass door that slides. Another great feature in this model is that both sides of the in the bedroom, the windows on both sides do open up. They do open up to let a nice cross breeze in. And you can walk around this queen bed. It's not tucked in one side, or the front of the bed, or the foot of the bed I should say, isn't against the wall. You can actually move against there. And it's right near the bathroom. Just get one more view. Another view of the bathroom here. Also a medicine cabinet. If you want the TV mounted in the bedroom, they do have a space for it. We'll get another view here. And another nice convenient setup. The TV mount is right there. So you're sitting on the sofa You don't have to crane your neck. You can just look straight at it. Makes a lot of sense. So you can find this 236RL at Rousseau's RV Center in Lakeville, Mass.